In many of the homes in this area, we've got a lot of mature trees and an old overhead line system that delivers power to our homes. And so when I moved my family into a new home in our neighborhood, one of my top priorities before I did the wood rot, before I did the windows, was getting a backup generator in place. So in this video, sponsored by Champion, I'm going to tell you all about home standby generators. Check it out. So as you can see, Champion delivers the whole package. I've got the HSB, the home standby generator. This 22 kilowatt generator will power my entire house during an outage. And it does that in a pretty clever way, running through their ATS. That's the automated transfer switch. It does it automatically. I don't have to go out and flip a switch. I don't have to go out and pull a cord to start it. I've got natural gas fed to the generator, and the wiring will run through the ATS and the load management module to make sure that anytime I do have an outage in my neighborhood, the generator kicks on and I'm covered. No loss of power in the house, everything operates as normal. No complaints from my family about no internet, no lights. The refrigerator keeps everything cold because it's still got power, all through a very efficient system.
That little box is a load management module. You assign your big appliances a priority, must have to nice to have, and the LMM only lets them run when the generator has the headroom. No overload, no blackout.
Now, Champion's redesigned some of their equipment, and their advanced airflow technology actually keeps the engine cooler and allows it to reduce the load on that. It'll make it a long-lasting unit. It's very quiet, and one of the things as an installer that I really appreciate is that the ATS doesn't require additional communication cabling. It's got a wireless setup feature, so I can, work on my phone or tablet to get this thing installed and up and running for other clients in addition to my own. But all of this kit is very well built. We've got an aluminum exterior. It's not going to rust. It's very durable. And when I do need to work on this, you swing the lid open and these panels slide off in a really seamless, integrated way that makes it kind of a pleasure to work on. Everything's accessible and really easy to maintain. It's got a really impressive low temperature reliability. I believe it'll start at temperatures as low as -22 Fahrenheit. And it doesn't require a separate warming kit to do that. It's just got this innovative backup 24-volt dual battery system that makes that happen kind of magically. So I don't have to worry about the low temps here in KC. We get all the weather, so that's a big win. It's also got a 10-year warranty, which I believe is best in class, and it's already rated as basically the top home standby generators anyway. So probably not gonna have to make a claim, but it's nice to know that's there. If you're interested in figuring out what you need for your home, Champion's got a great spot on their website, their home standby generator selector tool. You can click on it, input your square footage, your appliance loads, all the things that they need to know to help you get the best generator for your home. This unit is incredibly quiet and easy to operate, and the access makes everything easy to maintain. So all in all, an easy install, still something you need a professional to help you with. Obviously, you're tying into the main electrical, and you want to make sure your gas connections and everything are code compliant. So hire a professional to get your install done so that you are lights on instead of lights out. That's all I've got for you this week on The Build Show. I'm Travis Brungardt. Thanks for watching.